friends, this is Sandeep and this is the third video on the series of interview question and answer for the profile Windows System Administrator. In this video we will learn about the Windows file system, and the topic which we covered in this video are how many type of file systems supported by Microsoft Windows, what are the functions of operating system, what are the types of operating system, and what are the advantages of operating system. So let's begin our video with the first question. How many type of file systems supported by Microsoft Windows? So guys, two file systems are there which is supported by Microsoft Windows, such as FAT and NTFS. FAT is basically stand for file allocation table, and it was the old file system and used in Windows DOS operating system. And NTFS is a new file technology system, and it was introduced in 1993 with Windows NT. It is most commonly used file system for end user computers with running with Windows operating system, and it is fast as compared in FAT. Let's move on our next question. What are the functions of operating system? So following functions, as I mentioned below, like process management, memory management, device management, file management, and security. So guys, on these topic we have covered in our previous video. So if you want to some brief information about these functions, so you just go through my previous video and review it. Let's move on the next video. Next question. What are the type of operating system? So different type of operating system, as I mentioned here: multi-user operating system, single user operating system, multitasking operating system, multi-processing operating system, network operating system, and distributed operating system. So definitions are very simple, and I did not mention more here. You can easily understand from my statement what exact meaning of that operating system. So let's talk about the multi-user operating system. It means multiple user can access that particular system at a time. It should be the example of a server. Let us suppose server is placed in a data center and multiple user or a team member wants to connect that particular system at a time, so easily they can connect to that system. So that is a multi operating system. And a single user operating system, only one user can use at a time. It means it could be the example of your personal laptop or desktop, so only one person can use at a time. Multitasking operating system. Multiple tasks can be performed at a time. Let us suppose you want to do some work on MS Office, or you are doing something on the internet. Parallelly, you want to listen some music, so you can play that music as well. So multiple tasks should be performed at a time. Let's move on the next one: multi-processing operating system. So guys, these are different from each other: multitasking and multi-processing. So multiprocessing means multiple process are coming to the server, and server are executing that process at a time. So for that, multiple processor should be required to process that kind of request. So server should be the example of this. In server, multiple processor installed. So once the process are coming one by one or parallelly, then they can work parallel and execute that task. And the next one is the network operating system. It is run on server and provide access to multiple user at a time to share the data of files and the network devices, etc., over the network. And the last one is distributed operating system. So multiple processor or nodes are used for this operating system, and it can be used to store the data at centralized path, and these data should be distributed to the users over the network. Let's move on the next one. What are the advantages of operating system? So guys, here I mentioned few advantages like easy to use, and it is Microsoft Windows is easy to use because of its graphical user interface. So everyone who is working on the Windows platform, they can easily manage the operating system. If you want to open some file, then you can by the graphical user interface, you can easily go to that path and identify the file or open that file. So it is user friendly as well. The next one is software compatibility. So Microsoft Windows support wide range of softwares, so you can easily install that software. So it is software compatibility is there with Microsoft Windows operating system. Hardware compatibility. So in this ha- Microsoft Windows is compatible with the hardware as well. Any external device you can connect at any time to the system easily. Plug and play feature. So plug and play feature means uh, you no need to shut down your system in case of any replacement of the hardware. So because of the play and play features. And the multitasking, it means that multiple tasks can be performed at a time. So guys, in this video we have covered these four questions. You just go through it, and if you like, you can like, subscribe, comment my channel, it should be fine. And in our next video I'll cover the topic on Microsoft Active Directory. So very interesting video will be coming in my next video. Till then, you just like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for the watching.